Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an exciting microcontroller that's perfect for beginners, the ESP8266 NodeMCU. Whether you're into IoT or just want to explore how microcontrollers work, this little device can do a lot. The NodeMCU is an affordable Wi-Fi-enabled microcontroller that's great for connecting devices to the internet and automating your projects. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set it up, program it, and start your very first project. Let's start with a quick overview of the NodeMCU's key features and why it's perfect for beginners. Wi-Fi connectivity. Control your projects wirelessly. Built-in USB port. Easily program it using USB. GPIO pins. Connect various sensors and actuators. Compatible with multiple programming languages. Use Arduino IDE, MicroPython and more. It's versatile, easy to program, and you can use it for countless projects like home automation, weather monitoring, or even controlling devices remotely. Now, let's get your NodeMCU ready to go. First, we need to install the Arduino IDE and add support for the ESP8266 board. Once the Arduino IDE is installed, go to Preferences, add the ESP8266 Board Manager URL, and install the board. This will allow you to upload code to the NodeMCU. Now, grab your NodeMCU and connect it to your computer using a micro USB cable. In the Arduino IDE, select the correct board from the Tools menu and ensure you've selected the correct COM port. This will allow you to communicate with your NodeMCU. Let's write our first program together. We'll start simple by blinking the built-in LED on the NodeMCU. This program will make the LED blink on and off every second. Now let's upload it to the NodeMCU and watch it in action. One of the coolest features of the NodeMCU is its built-in Wi-Fi. Let's use it to connect the NodeMCU to your home network and control it over the internet. This code will connect the NodeMCU to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can control it from anywhere, or even retrieve data from online sources like weather services or APIs. Now that you know how to blink an LED and connect your NodeMCU to Wi-Fi, you're ready to take on some exciting projects. Here are a few ideas you can try next. Let me know in the comments which project you're excited to build. And if you need help, drop your questions down below. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. And, as always, keep coding and creating. See you in the next one.